So I'm going to bring Melina over onto this side. We're starting with a left side pass footwork. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold Melina in two hands. So we're stepping slow, slow, she steps side. Now at this point I'm raising my hand. Okay, very important that the lead is going to come from here. So we'll do this again. So we're stepping slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. So my footwork is the same as a left side pass. It just happens that I'm leading the lady into a tuck. So I'm bringing her across in this left side pass footwork. Slow, slow. I bring her towards me. Quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. So we're going slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow.